In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Pinterest and change your account's language settings seamlessly. Whether you're new to Pinterest or just looking to customize your experience, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, let's fire up your preferred web browser and head over to Pinterest. You can do this by typing pinterest.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, you'll either need to sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you haven't done so yet. Logging in will bring you to your Pinterest feed, featuring a variety of pins tailored to your interests. Next, let's navigate to your profile. To do this, look at the top right-hand corner of your screen where you'll see a circular icon, which is usually your profile picture. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, choose the option that says View Profile. By clicking here, you'll access your personalized Pinterest space where all your pins, boards, and activities are stored. Once you're in your profile, it's time to make some edits. You'll find an Edit Profile button. Go ahead and give that a click. This will open up a page where you can adjust various settings on your account. You'll notice options to change your profile picture, bio, and other personal information. However, for today's tutorial, we're going to focus on language settings. Scroll down until you see the Account Management section. This is an essential part of your settings where you can manage various aspects of your Pinterest account. Within this section, you'll find a heading labeled Language. By default, it might be set to your current location's primary language, but you do have the option to change it to another language of your choice. Click on the Language setting, and you'll see a drop-down menu that lists multiple language options. Depending on your preference or the geographical setting you want Pinterest to match, select the language that best suits your needs. This is a great feature, especially if you're bilingual or learning a new language and want to immerse yourself more fully in the Pinterest environment. Once you've selected your desired language, make sure to save your changes. This is a crucial step to ensure that your new settings take effect. You should see a confirmation message or button indicating that your preferences have been saved successfully. And just like that, you're done. You have now successfully changed the language settings in your Pinterest account. Feel free to explore your profile and notice how the language change enhances your Pinterest experience. Remember, adjusting your language settings can affect not only how you interact with the platform, but also how content is presented to you, potentially offering a new perspective on your curated ideas and inspirations. Happy pinning! Happy Solstice!